Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm gonna share with you a platform that pay me while searching on Google. And you can literally make thousands of dollars per week without having your own website or investing any money. And you can do it from anywhere in the world. And that's exactly what I'm gonna show you today, step by step. I'm gonna show you how you can use this platform so you can make more than $100,000 per month, and how people are making $1,000 per month only using this brand new platform. And without wasting your time, let's get into the video. But before to start, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post. And let's get started. For the first step, which is go to Google and search for Google Docs, and then click on this link so you can open it. Step number 2, go over this affiliate program, which as you can see allows you to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. So this website is like Amazon for UK, but it's slightly different than Amazon and it has different products. And the best part, which is it pays more in affiliate commissions than Amazon. And don't worry, because you don't need to live in UK, so you can use this platform. You can use it from anywhere in the world. You can start making money without selling your own product or having your own website. And as I said in the beginning of the video, without investing any money. So the name of the platform is Temu. So go to temu.com and scroll down, and you're gonna find affiliate and influencer program here. All you need to do is to click on it, because this is what's gonna allow us to earn a few hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. And these are the earnings of other users in the real time. They are making a lot of money and it's transferred into their PayPal account. And I'm gonna show you how you can do it in the third step. In the third step, I'm gonna show you how you can promote your affiliate link by using this formula. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this text and I'm gonna go over ChatGPT and I'm gonna paste it here. Then ChatGPT will listen to your instructions and it will create like a table of content. And once it does that, go back to the second text and copy it and paste it again on ChatGPT. And make sure to change select topic with the concept of your affiliate link. And then it gives different titles for this particular topic. Now let's copy the text number 3 and do the same thing again. Let's paste it on ChatGPT. And after getting answers from ChatGPT, let's go again to Google Docs. So what we need to do now is to copy the answers that ChatGPT gave us and paste it here in Google Docs. And as you can see, we're gonna get it like an article. Make sure to fix the article so it can look good, and then put your affiliate link in multiple lines in the article. Based on the context of my article, I can say, for example, click here so you can get the best workout program. And next to my sentence, I'm gonna paste my affiliate link. And like this, we're done. All we need to do is to click on file, then download, and we can download it as PDF document. Till now, nothing is complicated. And for the next step, you need to go to slideshare.net. This is one of the best platforms that you need to use so you can get free traffic for your PDF. As you can see here, it brings 82 visitors each month. And before to create your account, check the PDFs that other people are posting there, and you can notice that they are getting a lot of views and some of them are getting thousands of views. So this is going to show you how this platform is amazing. So now go and create your account, and once you log in into your account, click in the upload button and select document to upload. What you need to do now is to add a description, category and tags, and click on publish. And like this, it will go live on slideshare.net, and your PDF is going to be seen by the audience who's interested in your concept. I was about to end this video, but I wanted to give you a bonus. So this is a gift for people who still watching this video. I'm gonna share with you another platform where you can post your PDF so you can get free traffic for your affiliate link. This platform is called vocal.media. This platform is visited by 2.2 million people per month. And the reason why I shared with you this platform is that your PDF have a high chance to get ranked on Google. So when someone is searching for something that is related to the offer that you are promoting, your article will show up if you share it on vocal.media. And it's absolutely free to do it. Just click on create a story, paste the title here, go back to Google Docs, copy the article and paste it here. And that's all. All you need to do now is to click on save changes. As you can see, it's as easy as that. Nothing is complicated. And there is another way to get traffic by faceless YouTube automation. You can start a YouTube channel where you are not showing your face and you are not recording with the camera. And they can can get tens of thousands of views. And like this, you're gonna be able to promote your affiliate link and get free traffic. And not only free traffic, but you can make money from this YouTube channel from ad revenue. So this was the video. I hope it was useful to you, and keep in your mind, guys, that this is gonna take you time. You will not start making money in the first day. It will take a lot of time and a lot of efforts. All you need to do is to put in the work, trust the process, be consistent, and after 3 months or 6 months, you're gonna get results. All the successful people make a plan of 6 months or 1 year because they know that there is nothing that comes quickly. Everything needs time and everything needs your hard work. So put in the work, be consistent, and you're gonna get hundreds of thousands of dollars. This was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to click on the first link in the description so you can learn my #1 way to earn passive recurring income online. And make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.